Long before I became known as the man in the hat, long before I got into affiliate marketing, I used to work in SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. Basically, what that means is getting free traffic from Google. Now, the issue with getting free traffic from Google, it's really, really tough to do because of the fact that Google tries to make sure that you're not playing the system. They're basically saying, hey, we don't want you to be able to simply stuff your page with certain keywords that people are searching for, and therefore we're going to make you rank higher. But there are ways of doing it. And if you are willing to put in the effort, you can do it. But comes along this new software called Syndranker, and it does all the effort for you. It is really cool. I'm going to tell you all about it. I'll show you how it works. It's coming in my review of Syndranker. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me by Buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, yeah, you know by now, go ahead and skip ahead and just ignore my stale, boring dad jokes. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, get a life. Nobody wants the crap. I don't think even you want it, okay? Seriously, nobody, okay? The guy is so irritating. He and Bart take turns telling me about how much they love crap. Pathetic. Yeah. But seriously, if you are new, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give you a tip. My hat's the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. And you see, Liz says the same thing every day also, but at least she's nice about it. So can't really complain all that much. Anyhow, but if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Syndranker. This is from my friend Neil Napier. Now, Neil is known as one of the biggest launchers in the Make Money Online niche. He put together, for example, Mailvia, which is one of the most popular autoresponders on the market right now. I've actually tested Mailvia. I got some pretty good results from it. I have other places that I've been testing out that I think are a little bit better, but Mailvia is solid, and Syndranker looks really, really solid as well. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, but I want to tell you why it works before I do that. But before I even get to that, let me tell you my custom bonus, because I do have the best custom bonus you're going to see anywhere. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you 16,000 articles. Now, why do you need articles? Well, basically, the way Syndranker works is that it takes content and spreads it all over the internet for you and has links back to your website. Now, it can do this all automatically. It also includes what's called a spinner software, where it can change the text slightly so that it looks unique to Google. And it does really, really good work. Spinners have come a long way. They used to be really awful at it. They're still not perfect, but they're pretty good. Good enough to be able to put together this content and get these things out the door and be able to start actually making some money off of them. And it does this with 24 different channels. You can see here some of the possibilities: Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Bitly, WordPress, Instagram, Tumblr, Evernote. I don't even know half of these places actually, but the bottom line is you get these things out there. You set up an account once. It's not difficult to set up. A lot of these things, they used to require what's called an API, which basically means that you had to go ahead and kind of learn how to code things, basically, which really, really was very, very difficult to do. This thing is super simple. You simply put in your username and password, and you're done. Okay, and it'll automatically spread these things out throughout the internet with links going back to your own website. Now, this is powerful because basically what you're doing here is you're telling Google this is quality content that other people have links to on other websites. Okay, by doing it in the right way, you're able to build up your backlink profile, which means you're going to be ranking on page 1 for Google. Now, I do have probably the best bonus you're going to see here. First of all, I'm giving you 16,000 articles. Why am I giving you 16,000 articles? Because this gives you the content that you can put into Syndranker automatically, so you can go get started right away. I'm also going to give you 240 ebooks that you can take the content from these ebooks, have even more content for Syndranker, all automated right from the start. Plus, I'm going to give you my own SEO explosion software, which is going to teach you how to figure out where your links are coming from, so you can actually build up more links. On top of all of that, besides all of that stuff, I'm also going to give you my secret video where I'm going to teach you a secret website to actually test the on-site SEO of your own website. Basically, what that means is that you're going to check out your website to make sure that's able to rank as well as possible. This is a secret that very few people know about. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. That's all going to be included with a basic package. Pick up any upgrade to this package, and I'm going to give you another 290, I believe it is, additional ebooks on top of the 240 you're getting. 290 more ebooks on top of that, they're going to be able to use for more content as well. So let's see how this actually works and whether or not I'm going to give a tip to the product creator or not. So basically, see here, this is the members area for Syndranker. Now, it's a pretty simple thing to do. Basically, you're going to set up your social profiles here. Okay, let me just log back in. There we go. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and set up your social profiles. We can actually go here, social profiles, and you'll be able to set them up and add on social profiles, all the different places. You can see here, just click on add account. You set them all up over here, all right? And then what you're going to do is like this. Once you're done, you're going to jump back over to the syndication module. And what you're actually going to do is create a new campaign, and you're going to start syndicating to all these different places. And the software will automatically be able to spin your content, so every single one of these things will look completely unique. This is the secret that a lot of people have in order to be able to build their business up. Now, I've had software that I've used in the past. The thing is, I pay monthly fee for that software. Syndranker is a one-time fee. Let me show you the price real quick over here. My cat is very upset with me for telling you about this. You know, she's getting very annoyed with me. She's saying, "Daddy, don't tell them about it. Don't tell them." But you know, I gotta tell you. Anyway, but seriously, take a look at this. $39. You use the code backlinks, you get it for $37. Do not pick up the personal version, pick up the commercial version, because then you can actually sell the service as well to other people and not just use it for yourself. Really, really cool stuff. There is a couple of upgrades. For example, one of them will give you unlimited syndication, as opposed to this one, which is a limited number of syndications. Honestly, you probably don't even need the upgrade, but if you pick up the upgrade, like I said, I'm going to give you another, I believe it's 290 or maybe 320 courses, ebooks. I forget exactly how many, but you're going to get a lot of them from me. On top of the 240, you're going to get right with the basic package, plus the 16,000 articles, plus SEO explosion, plus my course on a secret website you can use to actually check your own on-site SEO completely for free. So let's see if I'm going to give it to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Seriously, you the man. I love this. This is great. Grab this one. This one's good. You're going to love it.